In today's video, I'll teach you how to use Prequel AI filter photo editor. So first of all, open the Prequel AI filter application. You can see over here the application has been opened. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Once you open the application, you will be asked bunch of questions. Simply answer all those questions. After you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So over here you'll be able to see various templates. You'll be able to see the templates for photo over here. If you want to see the templates for video, tap on this option video that you can see at bottom. Now you'll be able to see the templates for videos over here. Likewise, you can also see the AI effects by simply tapping on this option AI effects. So what you can do is simply tap on the template of your choice in order to edit your photo or video. Or you can also tap on the plus icon that you can see at bottom. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see three options over here: photo, video, collages. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now what you have to do is pick the photo or video that you would like to edit. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to edit that particular photo or video. You can see the effects over here. Likewise, you'll also be able to see the filters. You can also adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, etc. over here. Likewise, you'll also be able to crop this photo. Also, you'll be able to add the text overlay. You'll also be able to remove the object from the photo. You can also beautify the photo, or you can also add the texture, stickers, intro, etc. You'll be able to find various filters, so you can simply tap on the option of your choice. After you do that, that particular filter will be applied. Also, all the necessary edits will be applied after you do it. So simply make the necessary edits and tap on the save option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Keep in mind the feature for saving is only available for the pro user, so simply subscribe to the plan and you'll be able to save the photos or videos. If you want to see all the projects that you've created, you can simply tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see your prequels over here. So like this, you'll be able to use this app. So that is how you use Prequel AI filter photo editor. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.